I'm Selena, a teacher with 20 years of classroom experience and a test prep expert with Study.com. Today, I'm reviewing concepts for the FTCE Health K-12 019 exam, focusing on the knowledge of health education standards and health literacy, including how to teach students to find, understand, and apply credible health information across grade levels. Let's get started. A person with health literacy understands the most credible sources of health information include A. Drug marketing materials, B. Privately held health websites, C. Personal blogs, or D. Government agencies. A. Drug marketing materials is incorrect. These often aim to sell a product, which may result in biased information. B. Privately held health websites is incorrect. They may not be regulated and could be influenced by sponsorship or ad revenue. C. Personal blogs is incorrect. They often reflect individual opinions and experiences. The correct answer is D. Government agencies. A person with health literacy understands that the most credible sources of health information include United States government agencies. The other three resources listed might be biased or have a conflict of interest, influencing the material they provide. In the worst case, information might be inaccurate or misleading. Which health regulation was designed to establish, promote, and support health behaviors for students from pre-kindergarten through grade 12 in the United States? A. National Health Education Standards, B. Elementary and Secondary Health Education Act, C. American Health Education Act, or D. Health Education Act of 1995. B. Elementary and Secondary Health Education Act is incorrect. This is not real or official health regulation. C. American Health Education Act is incorrect. This is not an actual established health policy or regulation in the U.S. education system. D. Health Education Act of 1995. This sounds official, but no such act was passed in 1995. The correct answer is A. National Health Education Standards, or NHES, was designed to establish, promote, and support healthy behaviors for students from pre-kindergarten through grade 12 in the United States. This is one of the main standards for health education in the United States. Health education is defined as A. An open course between individuals and their healthcare providers about their overall health. B. The set of ideologies that are used to educate individuals and practitioners. C. Courses that bring out awareness of current health issues. Or D. The set of philosophies and methodologies that educate the general public, healthcare practitioners, and communities about anything related to health. A is too limited. Just one-on-one conversations between a patient and provider, not true health education on a larger scale. B focuses only on ideologies, which is too vague and not a full definition of health education. C makes it sound like health education is just about current issues, but it's much more than that. It includes prevention, promotion, lifelong wellness, and more. The correct answer is D. Health education is defined as the set of philosophies and methodologies that educate the general public, healthcare practitioners, and communities about health and how it relates to everyone. Health education is and can be used to bring about awareness and teach other individuals about health. Which of the following should be done first to promote health literacy? A. Teaching students how to retain health information that they have read. B. Teaching students how to correctly understand health information. C. Teaching students how to find credible health information. Or D. Teaching students how to properly read health information. A. Retaining information is important, but it comes after students have found and understood the material. B. Understanding is also critical, but it's only possible after credible information is found. D. Reading properly helps, but without knowing where to look, reading alone won't build literacy. The correct answer is C. Teaching students how to find credible health information. Students should know how to locate health information first. They should also know how to decide if the given information is credible or not. Thank you for joining me today as we worked through some practice questions from the FTCE Health K-12 019 exam, focusing on the knowledge of health education standards and health literacy. I hope you feel more confident on exam day. For more practice, check out our FTCE Health K-12 019 playlist. And for even more detailed practice strategies and customizable study materials, head over to study.com and check out our FTCE Health K-12 test prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest FTCE test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.